Hi, let's check out these 3-in-1 bug detectors. Here is the main unit, the user menu, the USB cable, practice camera lens. For this model, it is a 3-in-1 bug detector. This is to test out the invisible LEDs. Also to check out the pinhole camera lens. And this button is to check out the wireless signals from the listening device, 4G listening devices, 2.4G Wi-Fi cameras. In the back, we will see the white LEDs is to blinking and check out the pinhole camera. The two black dots is to detect the 940 nanometer invisible light LED.